be making a super simple, easy, healthy tuna steak meal. This would be perfect for lunch or a dinner. You could put it with vegetables, over quinoa, which is what I'm doing tonight, or even over a salad. So I have some thawed out tuna steaks here. And then for the little topping, I'm going to chop up some red bell pepper and some pineapple. Sometimes I use mango or mango, however you want to say it, for this recipe. They just didn't have any at the store when I went this week. So pineapple will definitely do, it's just as good. And then you top it with some sriracha mayo. I have some garlic, salt, and pepper mix, and some low sodium teriyaki here. And then also we dice up some avocado to put that on top as well. So first, I'm just going to add some olive oil cooking sprays in my pan. My pan is nice and heated already. Turn that down a little bit. And I'm just going to add my tuna steaks. Okay, so I'm just going to let those cook for a little bit. I'm going to put some cooking spray on top here. And then I'm going to put some of that garlic, salt, and pepper. Sprinkle some of that on. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my bell pepper and my pineapples. Chopped bell peppers and pineapple, and then I went ahead and flipped my tuna steak, and so they're nice, a little bit browned, if you can see that here. And then there's still some pink, so they still have a little bit more to cook on the other side. Some people like to eat their tuna steaks medium rare, but since they're frozen store-bought, I like to cook them almost all the way through. But it's definitely up to you, depending on where you live. You might get super fresh seafood, and that would be really awesome. But since I'm here in the Midwest, I cook them all the way through. Then I'm going to sprinkle on some more garlic, salt, and pepper on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and chop up my avocado while the rest is cooking. They're looking delicious. Nice and golden. And seared perfection. And put this aside. Add in our red pepper here and our pineapple, diced pineapple chunks. And a little bit more cooking spray. And I just put a little bit of the soy sauce in there. I'm going to go ahead and plate it and see what we got here. Some quinoa on there. Add some avocado. And then drizzle with the sriracha mayo. All right, here's what that looks like. Super, super delicious. All right. Give it a little taste test. All right. It's fully cooked, so that's awesome. Perfect. It's a little bit spicy, the sauce, so if you do it without the sriracha, it's probably better for the kids. So I'm going to try it without the spicy for you. Here's a bite that's not spicy. No, this one's not spicy.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you like it? Is it good? Thumbs up? Yeah, the 4-year-old likes it, so that's definitely a thumbs up.
Very good.
And the 10-year-old. Yeah!
More.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you a plate. This is what's for dinner.
More.
Yeah?
I can go do it.
Okay. Yum! Win for mom! Don't jump on the floor. We're gonna sit down. It's like eating out at a fancy seafood restaurant at less than half the cost. So that's a super plus. So I hope you'll give it a try and I hope you like it. Let me know what you think.